This is the brand new Galaxy Watch 7. From sleep apnea detection to advanced heart rate monitoring and a brand new bioactive sensor, this smartwatch seems to have it all. But the real question is, does it live up to its promises? Well, join me as I dive deep into the features, performance, and overall user experience of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this smartwatch is worth the investment and how it stacks up against the competition. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start with the basics. The Galaxy Watch 7 was launched alongside the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Ring. While the Ultra focuses on durability and endurance, and the Ring aims for a more agnostic device approach, and the Galaxy Watch 7 feels more like an iterative upgrade. I've had some hands-on time with both the 40mm and 44mm models, and the experience feels polished. The design is familiar, and the new processor under the hood significantly speeds up navigation, making everything feel more responsive. Plus, this processor powers new Galaxy AI features, adding a touch of futuristic flair to your wrist. At first glance, distinguishing the Galaxy Watch 7 from its predecessor can be tricky. It maintains that circular smartwatch design, with an all-screen front and smooth stainless steel sides. You still get the two buttons on the right-hand side, but there's no classic model this year. That means you can only choose between the 40mm or 44mm display sizes. One notable absence is the movable bezel, a feature that many users loved for its ease of navigation. If that's a deal breaker for you, you might want to consider last year's Galaxy Watch 6. On a positive side, the band mechanism remains user-friendly. Swapping bands is as simple as pushing in a tab and pulling the band out. Under the hood, the Galaxy Watch 7 packs some impressive upgrades. The new Exynos processor is the Samsung's first 3nm chip in a smartwatch, promises 3 times faster CPU tasks than its predecessor. Although I haven't had the chance to put it through a full workout yet, the Watch 7 felt ultra-responsive during my initial tests. Swiping through tiles, opening apps, and even using new gestures were all smooth and quick. Speaking of gestures, the Galaxy Watch 7 introduces double pinch gestures, similar to Apple's double tap. You can pinch your finger and thumb together to trigger actions like pausing playback or answering a call. This feature is especially handy when you don't have a free hand. The new processor also enhances by Galaxy AI features. Smarter suggested replies analyze the context of your messages to offer more relevant responses, rather than just generic yes or no answers. This adds a layer of convenience and smart functionality to the device. On the health and wellness front, the Galaxy Watch 7 excels with a redesigned bioactive sensor that promises more accurate and deeper health metrics. This includes tracking advanced glycation end products to gauge overall metabolic health and detecting sleep apnea. This is a feature approved by the FDA. The AI-powered sleep tracking experience aims to be more accurate, providing better insights into your sleep patterns. Like the Galaxy Watch 6, the Watch 7 also can track heart rate, perform electrocardiograms, and detect irregular heart rate moments. It can also track a wide range of workouts, some of which will be automatically detected. For outdoor enthusiasts, the dual-band GPS provides more accurate mapping and activity history. The two new health features make their debut with the Galaxy Watch 7. The energy score takes into account your sleep heart rate variability, and activity to give you a score from 0 to 100, indicating how well you're doing. The wellness tips offer actionable recommendations to help you improve or maintain your score. These features add significant value by contextualizing the data your watch collects, making it more understandable and useful. Moving on to price and availability, Samsung hasn't upped the price. The Galaxy Watch 7 starts at $300 in the US for the 40mm model, and if you prefer the larger 44mm version, it'll cost you a bit more, but it's still reasonably priced compared to its competitors. Pre-orders are already live, and you can expect to get your hands on one starting from July 2024. As for my early verdict, while the Galaxy Watch 7 might not bring a radical redesign or groundbreaking changes, it's a solid upgrade in terms of functionality. The new processor ensures smooth performance, and the enhanced health and wellness features are impressive. Battery life remains a question mark, But with these upgrades, the Galaxy Watch 7 is shaping up to be a smart, capable companion for everyday use. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. See you in the next video.